Hello everybody, Shawn from Miles to Memories, and welcome to Las Vegas. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Bellagio, and today we are going to look at the Bellagio Conservatory and their brand new Into the Woods autumn display. Plus, we're going to check out the casino, the poker room, the closed showroom, buffet, and sportsbook, and even the bar tops that are now reopened. So stick around for all of that. If you like our videos, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you receive notifications of all of our videos. And please smash that thumbs up button on this video. It'll help us reach more people, and I definitely appreciate it. We're going to start by looking at the back side of this Bellagio Conservatory display, and it is a good one. Really enjoying this display, and I will talk more about it as we go through it. The Bellagio Conservatory is 14,000 square feet. And I do like coming to this side. This is the entrance to some of the restaurants and the shops, and you get a different perspective on the displays. If you heard that voice in the background, that is the talking tree. We are going to meet him more later. This area was a little bit busy when I got there. A lot of people in the restaurant, a lot of people waiting. But the Bellagio Conservatory kind of went from busy to not busy to busy again, so it really just depends on when you visit. As we take another look at this tree house, and we're gonna go see the main part of the conservatory, but first I thought we'd take a break and check out the showroom, the O Theater, which is now closed and still no shows in Las Vegas, but this area is very nice and I love the displays. Unfortunately, the gift shop for the show is closed as well. The casino was pretty busy, and we're going to have a lot more shots later in the video of the casino. But this is the area next to the buffet and near the showroom, and it's fairly quiet compared to the main walkthroughs and thoroughfares of Bellagio. Of course, the buffet at the Bellagio is closed as well, with no reopening date as far as I know. One of the better buffets in town. Now we're going to go inside to the main part of the Bellagio Conservatory. I'm excited to show it to you. This autumn display is a nice one. If you remember, the one that was before this was the Japan Journey with Hello Kitty. That's the one that reopened with Bellagio. And if you want to see that, we have a video of that, but it was really good. And I want to know, which one do you like better? Do you like this, or do you like the Hello Kitty one? Or do you prefer the Christmas or the Chinese New Year's ones? Let me know down in the comments. I'll be covering all of the displays as they change seasonally for you. And there's our talking tree friend. Again, we're going to see more of him later. This display is designed to be a magical forest with its cast of floral creatures. That's how Bellagio describes it. And I think they did a really good job pulling that off. Let's walk around a little bit, and then I'll catch you a little later. Bellagio describes this new display in the following way. As guests embark on their Bellagio Conservatory experience, they find themselves in the center of a forest featuring floral mushrooms, a canopy of oversized oak leaves, festive foliage, and beautiful dragonflies dancing overhead. We will definitely get to see all of that as we work our way through. As I explained in our Japan Journey video, the Bellagio Conservatory is a little different right now with the lines and with a very specific way to go through it. I really wanted you to pay attention to these mannequins and models. The clothes that they have is really pretty. Lots of beautiful flowers. And this is one of the bigger pumpkins there. 882 pounds. Wow. As we look at the dragonflies overhead, I really like this section. with this little house. It has a very interesting design, and there are more flowers and dragonflies and interesting things to look at, and a really cool red bird coming up here in just a minute. There's my redbird buddy. An interesting fact is that 120 people maintain the grounds of the Bellagio and the Botanical Gardens, and they are working year-round to change the displays, to work on the next display. And this is always one of my favorite areas to walk through, and it's always amazing to me how they transform it between seasons. Always the same basic structures, but always redesigned for each display. The dragonfly is a symbol of adaptability and transformation, and it's used throughout this entire display, and it's hidden in some places. Sometimes you have to look up, so make sure to look for all of the dragonflies here as we work our way through towards the exit, and we're gonna get some better looks at that talking tree, which is definitely the highlight of this Into the Woods autumn display at the Bellagio Conservatory right here in Las Vegas.
Bellagio Conservatory. Welcome, everybody.
Such a friendly and welcoming tree, and this is a great display if you're going to be here between now and Thanksgiving. It will be on display. After Thanksgiving, they're going to switch over to a Christmas display. Nothing like live music in the casino. And let's take a look at some of the table games. We're going to see the poker room, the sportsbook, and some bars. Definitely worth looking at here. It was pretty busy. This was a Monday afternoon, and I was surprised at how busy it was. If you haven't been to an MGM casino lately, these are the sanitation stations right in the middle of the casino. This is the fun part now. Let's look at the poker room. And I want to know, would you play poker in this scenario with the plexiglass, with everything being blocked off? What do you think about it? And here is a sportsbook as well. Now, this is something that you wouldn't have seen just a week ago. These are bar top machines. They have been closed for months. Now they are reopened. Again, the Bellagio Casino was fairly busy. This was a Monday afternoon. I had heard anecdotally that this past weekend was really, really busy. Certainly judging by the number of people at the Bellagio on a Monday, I would say that was probably the case. Again, if you get into these fringe areas, not as many people, but overall, there was a lot of energy, a lot of people walking around. It felt more like old Vegas compared to any time I've been through here since the reopening in June. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Check out all of our other videos. We have so many great ones on the channel of Las Vegas reopening, hotel reviews, news, and even all the closed casinos, which was our last video. Hope you enjoy it. It's been a pleasure bringing these to you. See you next time.